how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. What's your name?
My name is David.
David, how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on the 23rd of May.
Good. How many people are there in your family?
My family has 6 people in my family. They are my father, my mother, sisters, brother, and me.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, movie day.
Movie day. My name is Stefan. My friends and I go to the movie theater on Saturdays. It's between the library and the park. We like watching movies. We eat popcorn too. It's fun.
Alright. What is the girl's name in the passage?
The name is Stephanie.
Where do they go on Saturdays?
They all go to the movie theater.
Where do they go on Saturdays?
They go to the movie theater on the Saturday.
What does Mike want?
Mike wants some popcorn.
What about Emma and Daddy? What do they want?
Emma and Danny want some peanuts.
What about Julie? What does she want?
Julie wants some potato chips.
Now let's go to the vegetable market. What do they want? Or what do they need? What do they need? Five.
They need some peppers.
How many peppers do they need?
They need 4 peppers.
One.
They need some carrots.
How many carrots do they need?
They need 6 carrots.
Six.
They need a cabbage.
Two.
They need some tomatoes.
How many tomatoes do they need?
They need 8 tomatoes.
Now places. Identify the various places. Which place is number 6?
This is a park.
4.
This is a movie theater.
2.
This is a post office.
3.
This is a department store.
Now here too there are places. So tell us the place they are and what they are doing. Let's go. 3.
Dale is in the library. Dale is at the library.
What's he doing at the library?
He is borrowing books on the library. Emma is at the animal hospital.
What's she doing?
She's having a sick dog.
1.
Mark is at the post office.
What's he doing at the post office?
He's mailing letters at the post office.
Lastly 2.
Danny and his mom are at the supermarket.
What are they doing at the supermarket?
They are buying groceries at the supermarket.
Uma, what do you want to make?
I want to make an omelette.
What do you need?
I need some eggs and some milk.
Tom, what do you want to make?
I want to make a milkshake.
What do you need?
I need some ice cream and some milk.
Now, here, tell us the places they are. Where is he? He is at the, where she is at the, let's go 4.
He's at the museum.
1.
He's at the beach.
5.
She's at the pool.
3.
She's at the amusement park.
And 2.
She's at the hotel.
Now, you are going to use acrostic. So tell us, let's go. 1K.
The park is across from the movie theater.
3B.
The library is between the movie theater and the post office.
148.
The post office is across from the library.
5B.
The supermarket is between the post office and the department store.
6A.
The library is across from the park.
Now here to there are different places. Tell us where they are or what they are to. 1A.
He is shopping at the department store.
4B.
They are kicking a ball at the park.
5A.
She is buying groceries at the supermarket.
3B.
They are watching movies at the movie theater.
And lastly, 6A.
He is kicking a ball at the park.
Very good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.